Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dolly, your new favorite cruise bestie and travel plug, and I'm here to help you cruise smarter, not harder. So today we're breaking down Carnival Cruise Line luggage policy. So if you're ever wondering how many bags can you bring, or what size should it be, or why can't you just roll up with your favorite Yeti cooler, then this one's for you. First things first, how many bags can you actually bring? Carnival makes it simple. If you're cruising 3 to 5 days, then stick to 1 bag per person. 6 days or longer, then you're allowed up to 2 bags per person. Before you start stuffing your closet into your luggage, keep in mind that each bag should be under 50 pounds. When lying flat, it must be no more than 16 inches high and 24 inches wide. Don't worry about the length. Carnival doesn't, but that height and that width, they're watching. If you're flying to your cruise port, this part's for you. The Carnival luggage rules still apply, but remember, your airline has its own baggage rules and fees. So before you head to the airport, check those airline policies. Otherwise, you might be paying more than you actually planned. Let's talk about your carry-on bag. There are certain items that you always want to keep with you. Don't check them, keep them on you. Why? Because your luggage may take a minute to show up at your stateroom, and you don't want to be stuck on that Lido deck without your medicine or your deodorant. Trust me. These items include your passport or ID, your cruise boarding documents, your medication, any valuables. If you're wondering what type of bag to bring or what should you put in it, I broke it all down in my embarkation day, what to pack in my carry-on bag. So check it out. But after this video, of course. All right, so what happens when you arrive to the cruise terminal? If you arrive before 1:30 p.m., you are good to go. Most people check their bags in with the porter that is located right at the curb. That way, your hands are free to grab lunch, explore a bit, even check out the water slides, which is the best time to go, by the way. But listen close, check bag service ends 2 hours before the sailing time. If you show up late, you're hauling your bags on board by yourself. So there's no porter magic. So make sure you get there early. When you're handing off your bag, don't forget your luggage tags. You'll find them in your online cruise docs when you've checked in. You don't need to print them in color. Black and white is just fine. And yes, you can tip your porter. Carnival states that the standard tip is $1 per bag. These folks work hard and they're not part of Carnival employees, so show a little love. If there's ever an issue with your bags or a porter, ask for a porter management on the site. Carnival can't really step in for that. If you forget or your cabin states TBA, your porter can re-tag your luggage at the curbside. If you want to make tagging your bags even easier, I dropped a link below in the description box to my favorite Amazon luggage tag holders. They're waterproof and reusable. All right, y'all, let's talk coolers and drinks. Big coolers, nope, not allowed. Carnival does not permit large coolers, checked or carry on, because they slow down the boarding and security process. Now, what's not allowed? That's no glass, no water bottles, no plastic 2 liters, and absolutely no hard liquor or beer. Don't even try to bring it on, they will check. Now, here's what is allowed. You can bring a small personal cooler. Think of the size, 12 by 12 by 12. These are meant for medications that need to be kept cool or non-alcoholic drinks. Carnival lets each guest bring up to 12 sealed cans or cartons of non-alcoholic drinks. So that means soda cans, sparkling water cans, juice boxes or carton, even energy drinks, as long as they're not in a glass bottle or plastic bottle. Now, what should you pack in your luggage? Great question. A day bag for shore excursions, sunglasses and sunscreen, a poncho, phone charger, camera, insect repellent, especially in the Caribbean, and binoculars if you're headed somewhere scenic like Alaska. If you're the type that want to be fully prepared and have everything you need before you set sail, I've got a full cruise must-have video. I will link that below, so check that out. I go over my personal favorites, the game changers, the items that I never cruise without. So it will be in the link below. That's the tea on Carnival's luggage policy. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch more cruise videos and reviews from your girl Dolly. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Until then, happy cruising.